Good morning, how are you? Thank you for coming. Before we start, let me introduce myself. I am Indah Primadona Saputri, the HRD, and I will be leading this interview.
Thank you for the warm welcome. I feel very comfortable and I'm excited to meet you in person. I have a lot of good things about Let's Company, so this opportunity means a lot to me.
Feel at ease. This will be an interactive section. If you have any question, feel free to ask. We're excited to learn more about you. Let's start with a brief introduction.
Good morning. I'm thank you. I'm very happy to be here today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Malika Handayani. I'm very excited about this interview because I'm very interested in the safety engineer position at Let's Company, which is the Let's Company.
How would you describe yourself?
Let me introduce myself. I'm Malika Handayani. I graduated of Polytechnic Negeri Sriwijaya with experience in occupational safety and health. I'm very interested in the safety engineer position because I believe that I self working development is key to productivity and employability.
What are your strengths?
My strength is to good communication skill, the ability to work in team, and under pressure willingness to work safely, and the ability to analyze safety causes. My weakness are the I am focused too much on small details, which takes small time to complete the text. I'm sometimes hesitant to take risks and I try to avoid conflict. I'm actively working to address this weakness.
What is your biggest weakness?
My biggest weakness is focusing too much on small details. It takes extra time in this them to take risks and avoiding conflicts. I am working hard to overcome this weakness.
What do you know about this company?
I have researched Let's Company and Learnless is known for offering opportunity for fresh graduates with a promise of high salary, insurance, 400 equipment, and housing benefits. I also noticed that the safety engineer position at that company is challenging with so the company commitment, the innovation and quality.
Why do you want to work at this company?
I'm interested in the working of Let's Company because its strong reputation for job security. I'm also interested with the company involved in the energy sector. I believe that the company efficient and value align with my career goal, and I would like to contribute to business goals.
Tell us about an experience that most relevant to this position.
In my previous job, I was responsible for overseeing occupational health and safety. Three and one of my achievements was reducing workplace accidents over the course of a year. The experience taught me that being responsible for my work leads to a different prudential result.
How did you handle challenge in that role?
One challenge was the lack of awareness about the standard of practicing responsibility. For example, I addressed this by recommending employees will handle them about the risk involved. The result was safety.
How do you work in a team? Do you have an example where you made a significant contribution?
I efforts collaborating, communicating fairly, and supporting their group as a common goals. A contribution into condition risk analysis and identifying potential hazards that may have been overlooked by the team.
How do you handle conflicts at work?
I believe that open communication is key to resolving conflict. When conflict try to listen to perspective of our subject in with persons.
What would you do if you disagree with a decision from your superior?
If I struggle with the decision made by my superior, I will first try to understand their perspective and the reasoning behind their decision.
Thank you for your responses. Before we end, do you have any question for us?
I'm interested in learning more about how one team in this position work and the overall company culture.
Great question. Here we highly value collaboration and support the development of each team member. We are also committed to a comfortable work environment.
Thank you for the explanation. I'm even more excited to join this company.
I'm glad to hear that. We will contact you soon with the next steps. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you again for the opportunity. I hope you have a wonderful day. Morning, how are you? Thank you for coming. Before we start, let me introduce myself. I'm Marita Dayani, the HRD at Hajimaste. I will be leading this interview.
Thank you for the warm welcome. I feel very comfortable and I'm excited to meet you in person. I have a lot of good things about Hajimaste, so this opportunity means a lot to me.
Please will test. This will be an interview season. If you have my question, feel free to ask. Let's start with a brief introduction.
Good morning, I'm doing well, thank you. I'm very happy to be here today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Indah Primadona Safitri. I'm very excited about this interview because I'm interested in becoming a part of the production staff at this great company.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm a graduate of Polytechnic Negeri Sriwijaya with a strong background in manufacturing, with hands-on experience in machine operation, quality control, and troubleshooting. My experience has equipped me with the ability to operate and maintain production machine efficiently while ensuring that all production meet the highest quality standard.
What are your strengths?
In terms of communication and teamwork, I can communication effectively and collaboration with team members to overcome various challenges. I always try to stay calm and focused, especially when we're facing pressure or tight deadlines. I also have a critical thinking mindset that helps me solve problems quickly and accurate.
What is distractness?
Sometimes I get to focus on the details to ensure the best outcome, which can take more time than planned. However, I'm continuously learning to set priorities and manage my time more effectively.
What do you know about this Hajimaste?
I've researched Hajimaste and found that the company is known for its monosodium glutamate production. I have also observed that the performance of its employees demonstrate the company's commitment to innovation and quality. I'm very interested in being part of a team with such a vision.
Why do you want to work for Hajimaste?
I'm interested in working at Hajimaste because of its strong reputation in monosodium glutamate production. I also impressed by the innovation the company brings to its products. I believe that the company's vision and values align with my career goals, and I would like to contribute to achieve those objectives.
Tell us about an experience that is most relevant to this position.
In my previous job, I was responsible for operating and maintaining production machine, as well as overseeing product quality to ensure that all standards were met. One of my achievements was reducing machine downtime by 50% through schedule preventive maintenance and addressing technical issues before they became major direction. This experience taught me to be more effective in time management and enhance my problem-solving skill, ensuring smooth production operation without compromising quality or safety.
Interesting. If you don't need me asking, how did you handle challenge in that role?
One of the challenges was dealing with sudden machine breakdowns, which would disrupt the production process. I tackled this by conducting a deeper analysis of the make spread and creating a more structured preventive maintenance schedule. The results were quite satisfying as downtime was significantly reduced and production efficiency improved, which helped the company meet production targets faster without compromising quality.
How do you work in a team? Do you have an example of when you made a significant contribution?
I really enjoy working in a team. In a previous project, I took on the role of the main machine operator, where I helped the team achieve high daily production targets with a great efficiency. I worked alongside the quality control and maintenance teams to ensure that every machine operated well.
How do you handle conflict at work?
I believe open communication is a key to resolving a conflict. When facing a conflict, I try to first listen to the perspective of all parties involved. Then I look for a mutually beneficial solution and ensure everyone feels heard and
What would you do if you start with a decision made by your superior?
if I disagree with a decision from my superior, I would first try to understand their perspective and the reasoning behind the decision. If I still disagree, I would request time to discuss it privately and present my viewpoints dialogue with relevant supporting data. I believe open communication can help find the best solution for the team.
Thank you for your answer. Before we finish, do you have any questions for us?
I look for a mutually beneficial solution and ensure everyone feels heard and valued. With this approach, many conflicts can be resolved constructively.
We're also committed to creating a comfortable work environment.
To know more about how the team in this position works and the company overall culture.
I'm glad to hear that. We will contact you soon with the next step. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you again for the opportunity. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Thanks for watching.